how to half swipe on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to half swipe on Snapchat. So in order to half swipe on Snapchat, you'll need to first of all check your internet connection and also make sure to update your application. If the application is not up to date, then go ahead and open up your Google Play Store and on the search box type in. After that, if you see update instead of open, then you'll need to update the application. Once the application is completely updated, click on the open button, and while you're on this page, so this method can be done on both of your devices, that's on Android or iOS devices. Once you've done that, head over to the chat tab by tapping on the chat button right at the bottom. Now you'll need to gently press your finger on the profile of the user whose message you want to read and swipe right. All you have to do is gently press on their Bitmoji and then swipe towards your right hand side. After that, you'll be able to see the chat. However, you'll not be able to see the snap that the person has sent it, but you'll be able to see the chat that the other person has sent it without them knowing. So make sure not to leave the finger or release your finger. So once you've done that, slowly swipe left to close the preview window, and after you've done that, you've successfully half swiped on Snapchat. So in this way you can half swipe on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.